In this video, we will demonstrate the capabilities of calendar planning in the optimization module at a strategic level. The method is based on panels formed at the intersection of mining horizons and the final pit shells. These panels are then grouped into clusters, and the system determines the sequence of extraction according to the parameters defined by the user before starting the calculation. The first step is to run a calculation with just one target indicator, the quantity of ore. This allows us to estimate how much waste must be removed to access the ore. The results show that the first interval is too large and needs correction. The next step is a calculation with the indicator total material moved. This gives a general understanding of the situation. The chart shows that the material is distributed relatively evenly, so the task is only to balance the load between intervals. To do this, we add a second indicator, the amount of ore over time. For example, starting from the third interval, the plan must provide at least 2 million tons, and from the fifth interval, 4 million tons. In this scenario, after the fifth interval, the target indicators cannot be fully met. That's not a problem. We can always adjust the parameters and rerun the calculation. After making changes, the charts show a more balanced distribution of material across the periods. At the final stage, most of the waste has already been removed, which means access to the ore is secured. Now we can gradually reduce the limits for the total material moved starting from the 13th planning period. As a result, the ore is distributed evenly and the stripping volumes decrease. Exactly what we aim to achieve. Different charts and operating modes allow us to view the results from various perspectives: ore quantity and quality, stripping volumes, financial indicators, profitability, and more. If in some period the targets are not met, you can simply add another parameter to the search and recalculate the plan. After the calculations are complete, it's important to view the results in 3D. You can display the blocks assigned to each period and also build wireframes. Each wireframe represents the position of the mining works at the end of a specific interval. The results can be saved into the current block model. Later, they can be used either without the optimization module or as boundaries for the calendar planning module. Along with spatial results, there are also tabular ones. These are especially valuable as they provide detailed information for each period: ore volumes and quality, waste volumes, costs, revenues, and much more. And finally, all that remains is to analyze the results and enjoy them.